sorry they were ever born.
Who? All of them.
Yeah, W, look, beat 'em up just like it's WWW. Promise you, why would I trouble you? Yeah, look, you cannot see what's in front of you. You cannot see what's in front of you. Yeah, promise that you get to run into if you knew what's about to come to you. It's about to get real dangerous. 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 Yeah, watch out, watch out, pop out, black out, wop out, beat 'em up, knock out, knock out. I had to see what it. I had to cover their head and cover their necks at the same time. Yeah, I had to take out the ref. I make my own rules when it's game time.
I am the one they was talking about when they warned you about going out in the dark. Now that Chihuahua, I pop at your mama. I promise my bite just as bad as my car. I push a button and end all your motion. It's like I was putting a Tesla in park. Never been much of a pain at heart, but if I get the drawing, I turn you to art. All of my dogs is rabid. They got some bad habits. They lock you and tear you apart. You sleep with the fishes, I swim with the sharks. These shots is gon' exit and you gon' depart. I'm Homer Simpson. I got no conviction with choking you out if you talking like Bart. You see the shadows and fear hit your heart. Turn off the lights. I'm in love with the dark 'cause it's dangerous.
It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to be a bad sight when I pull up on 'em. It's about to be that last night. You don't want nothing, homie. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous.
Okay, smoke with me, boy, you might go deep. Doing dirty on the mic like I'm ODB. Here, do, shit, the shots low key. When I send them 2 fingers, I ain't talking about peace. I don't take it lightly, they won't flow with me. A joke to me, bad guy that was Kobe beat. And you could die by the chopper, no helicopter. Bad man down, look, mama cut doctor. I bring the iron, I snap for my dogs, and you vanish. You feel like my last name is Star. That is no cap, 'cause this hammer is holding auditions. So make sure you playing your part. I'm not the type that just steal from the dog, but if I get the drawing, I'm pulling your card. Then I'm dumping the lead like a pencil. I make you a stencil, that mean that you lied out of chalk.
It's about to get real dangerous. 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 It's about to be a bad sight when I pull up on 'em. It's about to be that last night. You don't want nothing, homie. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous.
on a proximity flight, flying over. Ah, damn motor came on. Well, that's alright. And just gotta put that back on. No big deal. Yeah, it's not, well.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, fuck. We've got a couple strip screws, fuck, but we'll get her back on. Alright. Yeah, we'll get it back on, no big deal, hopefully. Or we'll end up having to buy another motor. Oh, fuck. Alright guys, well, stay tuned for some more flights later, hopefully.